from?
I'm Brother Millard Moak, pastor of Calvary Church, Columbia, Mississippi.
Okay. And what brings you to Hawkins County this week?
To do mission work.
All right.
We come up and try to help disabled or handicapped elderly.
Okay.
This is Mr. Ritchie and his wife, which he's a disabled veteran.
Uh-huh.
Him and his wife both in wheelchairs. We're tearing out and putting in new floors. They was falling through the floors. They had water leaks and it was rotten. And we're painting and building handicap ramps so they can get in and out with their motor scooters.
Okay. So what was the condition of the house when you guys got here?
In my opinion, condemnable.
Really? Can you be more specific?
Well, I mean, the floors was falling in. They done fell in one time.
Yeah.
And just nobody to help them fix it.
Right.
You know, but that's, I mean, you couldn't, one area, but you couldn't stand on, you'd fall through.
Right.
That's how bad it was. We've tore out the flooring, we've tore out carpet, mess, you can see behind me, we tore out cabinets.
Yeah.
That was rotten and water leaks had rotted. We rebuilding new cabinets and putting them down 30 inches so they can reach it from their wheelchairs.
Oh, okay.
And then putting in a dishwasher, and then will be a new floor completely through those rooms, and we'll put new vinyl flooring down on top of that. And then we're bringing them some new furniture.
Oh, yeah, we always find that these mission groups come in, they do above and beyond. You got a job to do, but then you see another need and you take care of that too.
Yeah, if you go up in a little ways or behind you, you can take a picture of the furniture.
Yeah.
And you'll see why we're replacing it.
Okay. Well, is this your all's first time in Hawkins County?
No, this is our 7th time.
7th time. Okay. Well, is this
we come up every other year.
Okay.
It takes us 2 years to raise the money to come.
Okay.
We bring a team of, we got 34 here this time.
Are you spending the whole week?
We spend the whole week doing projects. We're also doing VBS up in Kingsport.
VBS?
Vacation Bible School.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay, so that's going to be, we're doing it at West Apartments, I believe they call it, in Kingsport, and a women's Bible study.
Oh, okay.
So I got people up there too.
All right.
Then we have a construction crew that works each time as we come. Here, week I came in last Thursday, and we'll leave this Friday morning.
Okay.
So we're here a week.
And so how much do you lack now on this job?
We'll finish by Thursday evening.
Okay. All right. What have you got left to do?
We still have to paint it, then have to let it dry and repaint it. They're building on the cabinets. When you go in, you can see they're building on cabinets. I got to get them built.
Okay.
Then we're going to put in a dishwasher, a sink, and all that has to be put back in. And then the handicap ramp, we're working on it, but it takes us time to get it through with it. Because we're having to dig out to make it right. We do it by regulation, we do it by code, our code. I know Tennessee's code may be different, but we do it by our code.
Right. Have you met the couple, Mr. and Mrs.
Yes.
Ritchie?
Yeah, I came and met them in February.
Okay.
And when I decided to do the project, I come up February, March, and interview some people, look and see what they need. Like I said, I'm hunting for somebody that can't help themselves.
Right.
And then we know what we're doing when we come, so we know what tools to bring.
So can you describe what their situation was like, what you witnessed when you came?
Well, like I said, they just couldn't do for themselves.
Yeah.
She was actually in the hospital because she had fell through and broke her hip.
Fell through the floor?
I don't know if she fell through the floor or when she went in, there was a hole in the floor.
Oh, mercy.
So I don't know if she fell and broke her hip.
Yeah.
So she was actually in the hospital when I came in February.
Okay.
And I just got to meet Mr. Elmer. And so he said anything we could do, they would appreciate. There's more that needs to be done, but we can only do so much,
What's their first names?
Elmer Ritchie is his name. I don't know her name. I can't tell you.
Okay. Well, now you said you have to raise funds. How much does a project like this, how much does your mission
This one is going to probably cost us close to $10,000.
Yeah.
We bring the money to buy the materials, and then we feed our whole team the whole week they're here. And we're staying at Oak Grove Baptist Church in their gymnasium, so we don't have to have motels or nothing.
Right.
But we bring a cooking team with us, and they cook breakfast every morning. They bring sandwiches out to us while we're working, and then we go in and eat a meal every night.
Okay.
So it's 3 meals a day. They're cooking, and we have to buy all that food, and it's a 12-hour drive up here. From where we live. We just love helping people in the name of Jesus, to let them know that God hadn't forgot them, and we don't forget them neither, even though we don't even know who they are till we get here and meet them. This
Lots
is
of
the cabinets, but that's the flooring. That's what it looked like.
yeah,
It was just rotten.
dry particle board.
Yeah, particle board, wet. It ain't no good.
This ain't you're not the first mission to come in here and tear out some particle board.
Yeah. So that was the old cabinet.
It just don't last.
They had carpet down.
Yeah.
Don't get too close to it.
Yeah, it smells like they
You'll
had cats.
smell it.
They must have had
It was
cats.
bad. See, they're starting to route back yonder.
Uh-huh.
It'll go around, come back and hit on the carport.
Oh, good. That's going to be a new.
New handicap.
Okay. Was this ramp here already?
This ramp was already here,
Okay.
but they didn't have no way to get in there back.
Oh, I see.
So we fixing the ramp going, so they'll be able to go in either way.
Okay.
This is just see the new
Hello.
floor. We've got the flooring down.
Yeah.
Now we're going to paint the walls and everything, and then we'll come back and put the vinyl on top of this.
So you did the living room and
Been doing both of these runs. Put in new cabinets, put in new cabinets. So that's what they're building.
how do you?
They make a white.
We do that. We go 45 and 45 and really do that.
And we have a stove, we'll go back there, and then a dishwasher, and then a sink.
Okay.
Stainless steel sink.
So
We'll paint all this too.
okay, then take back and show me the ramp job that y'all are doing.
This one full before would be lovely.
Right. They work out there with that.
Yeah. Okay.
See, it'll start and go yonder, and then have a deck, and then come back this way and have a deck, and then go into the carport.
Is that found you a big old rock, didn't you? Did you bring any dynamite with you? No.
That's
We'll
right.
have to get him a pickaxe.
They're digging it. Yeah, they dig. Trying
Sledgehammer?
to dig it with a shovel. And it's hard.
It'd be nice with a pickaxe.
How's it doing?
We are trying
We're
to.
manufacturing cabinets.
Yeah. Best we can.
Custom built.
Yeah.
Custom built, very much custom built. What we do it is we just try to drop these into wheelchair height.
Yeah.
That way, you know, they can get to this. But if they want to keep the dishwasher and the stoves, or if they don't make that, so they bring it back up to break height. We try to make it convenient as we can for someone that got
Yeah.
a wheelchair, you know.
So they're gonna have a lower sink and everything. looks like.
Yeah, the sink is gonna be at this height here, so they can go up with a wheelchair and use it that way. And then over here, they'll have to go to here, but at least they get them wash their hand and everything else, they have to get up all the time. But it's challenging, but it's fun. When we first come up here, we look at things that people need. We try to find people who need something that obviously they don't have it, and we try to figure out what it is, you know, and if we can do it and turn around and make it work, and we'll make it work. You know? And so it's not much different from what we see every time we come up here. You know, just older people, just handicapped, things like that needs help, and we can do what we can do to make their life a little simpler, and it makes it better. You know. Oh, it's wonderful. Wonderful that you got to help people and knowing that. But the biggest thing is, you know, as Christians, we discipleship, you know, and if we can't meet the personal need first, then how can we meet their spiritual needs? So we meet that spiritual need, and we open the doors for physical needs.
Okay.
You know, and that's what we up here for.
Okay.
Showing the work that God's given us and giving some back.
That's great.
It's his first trip with us.
First trip. What made you decide to come?
Well, I wanted to come and serve God and help people. Yes, sir. We've been working on this house that people have been disabled from the army, and the woman, she wasn't disabled at first, but she fell through the floor and broke her hip, and she had to get in a wheelchair.
Yeah. How does it make you feel to know that your work is helping somebody?
It makes me feel great that I'm trying to help somebody else that is not capable of helping themselves. And I like helping other people. Yes, sir. This is my first mission trip, and I was excited, and I got what I was hoping for.
I like to see you putting them young boys to work.
Hold on.
Have hold of the boat. We got about 15 youth with us. 7 boys here, and the rest are helping with the
Those ones that lucked out, no shovels. You have to get them up here tomorrow.
We have worked them, you know, where we had a bigger project. We worked all of them together, girls, boys, women. Biddy's the only lady we got with us this working construction this time. A lot of times we got 4 or 5.
Yeah.
It bothers me like a retired vets, I don't care who they are, but they have to live like this, nobody helps them.
Right.
You know, I mean, my father was bad and I wasn't, but you know, I know what he went through, and so we just have a heart for that too.